Hi, I'm Miss Hernandez. I'm an art and social studies teacher here at Campbell High School. I think what motivates me to continue teaching and loving what I do truly is passion. I would say I do have a lot of passion for art, a lot of passion for teaching, and a lot of passion for building connections with my students. I absolutely love what I do. I wake up in the morning excited to come to work. That's what motivates me, honestly, the excitement and the passion that I have for what I do.
Miss Hernandez breaks the stigma that art is just an elective by weaving it into history and showing students that creativity is just as important as any core subject.
It's understandable of where that stigma comes from, but how I address that stigma is trying to bridge a connection with art to any core subject. So because I teach both art and social studies, I always say to my students, you can learn a lot about history through art, and you can learn a lot about art through history. I think trusting the process can be a huge form of motivation for students, especially when they're learning something new, like learning light and shadow and learning different watercolor techniques. I think trusting the process, again, is used as a model and motivation to getting to the end point and creating something great. Because ultimately, in the end, all students are super excited to showcase their work when we do our critiques in my class. And seeing each other's work as well, and when I do have them displayed in class.
Miss Hernandez embraces AI as a tool for ideas, but never as a replacement for true human creativity.
I think artificial intelligence, or AI, is a wonderful tool to bridge learning and getting ideas. However, I do not think AI serves as a good tool to replace true artists and genuine creativity. However, I feel like that bubble's gonna pop one day because AI just regurgitates what it's fed. And we're gonna end up seeing copies of copies of copies throughout time. And I think it's very important for art students now, every step of the way in elementary, middle, high school, and ultimately in college, to practice their own craft, come up with their own unique art style, and just continue creating. You can use AI to get ideas. You can use AI to possibly edit your work and get an idea of what you want to do with your work. But ultimately, the human hand, the human mind creates the most original forms of art. Legacy, for me as a teacher, legacy means the impact that I do leave on my students and in the community in which I serve in my classroom. The legacy that I want to leave is to be remembered as a teacher who cared. I want each and every one of my students to know that I care about them, I love them, and I just want to see them succeed. And even if I do come a little harsh sometimes, or I have a crazy method to the madness, it's all for a reason. And I do hope when my students leave my classroom for good one day and ultimately leave the school, they'll remember how I made them feel. And they remember the great things that we did together in class and the connections that they made.